Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Hope you're doing great. Let me just adjust my volume here, a little bit loud. This is Hijack'd review. We're gonna go through the demo video. It's actually the overview video from the back office. We're gonna take a look at the back office. I'm gonna sort of give you my thoughts about how I would use this program, or I will be using this program, and we're gonna go through the bonuses. Now, if you just want to go to the bonuses, maybe we'll get to those first. I'll show you what we're giving you. I've got some really cool stuff in there that we've put together with my friend Jono, and you are going to get some extra special goodies in there. So first off, actually, if you want, let's just look at the bonuses now, and then I want to give you the demo. But it's really important that you watch the whole overview because it's really key. It may seem a little bit slow, but watch it because this is really an amazing suite that you're going to want to have. Like, this is really, really cool. And then at the end, I'm going to talk about what are the upsells and which ones I think you need, or the ones that you don't really need unless you want it. Of course, you want to get them. So first off, let's hit the subscribe button below, and I will take you over. Let me find my bonus page here. There we go. And there's my bonus page. Okay, so first off, let's scroll right down to the bonuses you're going to be getting. So the first one you're going to be getting is Polaris. This is a basically how to really get into selling the high end products, and it goes hand in hand with Hijack'd. It's very cool. You'll be able to sort of interchange between the two of them. We've got Online Entrepreneur. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing or you want to make money online, this is a really great little course for you. We've got how to use Instagram influencers, how to find them, how to connect with them, how to drive a lot of traffic to your sites using the influencers on Instagram. And then Nova, this is a complete automated TikTok app that will find you all the influencers on TikTok, and you'll be able to market directly with them and their audience. So it's very, very cool, but you only get that in the first 12 hours. So you want to grab this right away. Also, all the special bonuses, and as a top seller on Warrior Plus, I get access to a few more bonuses. So here are the extra bonuses. We've got the 300 CPA every day, 500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop method, $200 cash hack, 2K CPA traffic jacker, $250 cash magnet, the commission glitch, the 6 million influx, the commission glitch, the 6-figure influx, $1 million toolbox, overnight commissions, commission toolbox, pure profit payday, 100 CPA daily, commission profit hacks, instant traffic jacker, the commission magnet, and the commission blueprint. Plus, guys, you're going to get access to the affiliate traffic lab. Now, this is really cool. You get to actually upgrade to the light version of affiliate traffic lab, which is another great way to it helps you make videos that you're going to use to drive even more traffic to the pages you're going to be using and the campaigns you're going to be using in Hijack. So those are the bonuses. So if you want to get it right now, just click the yellow button. But I recommend you stick around and watch the demo so that you guys know exactly what you're getting here. So let me jump back on here, and we're going to play the demo. It's about 9 minutes long, guys, but stick around to the end. It's really important that you watch this. Just turn off your phone for 10 minutes. Give me 10 minutes of your time and watch this, and then I'll come back on. We'll go through the sales page. I'll show you the back office so you can see exactly what it looks like from your perspective, and then we'll talk about those upsells and what you actually need to make this thing work well. All right, guys, I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, bye.
Welcome to the Hijack'd support training page. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to get started with Hijack'd and what the system comprises of. So with Hijack'd, you're going to be able to create fantastic high ticket affiliate funnels. So these are funnels that are going to take a viewer through to purchase a product, and these products are high ticket. So these are products that are in excess of $500, $1,000, and you're going to be getting 50% commission. So putting in the effort to try and convert viewers into customers is so much more beneficial because the commissions are so much higher. So let's just take a look at the campaign section accessed on the left hand side menu, you're going to see that there's a variety of campaigns already ready and set up for you. You just need to do a few connection things to make sure that it's all set up specifically for you. So let's just take a look at these funnels. So we click on the publish button, we can see that there are 3 pages: squeeze, webinar, and download. So just viewing the first page, we've got a opt-in page which has been designed specifically for the high conversion of right now. So these are the opt-in pages that are converting at the highest rate right now. Okay, so we've designed all of them to fit this system. Okay, and as you'll see, the user can come here, we can see that, you know, there's some scarcity on the home page, information about what the webinar is about. They can click on the button, they can register. Okay, and then by doing this, they will be taken to the next step of the funnel, which is actually the web class. All right, now here's something we've built into these systems that not many people are using. Okay, and what this is we've introduced a automatic redirect if someone gives intention to leave. So you've done all the hard work to drive people to these pages, and the fact that they've clicked through to the page shows that there is some sort of interest. But sometimes sometimes we see a page and we're like, I haven't got time for this or whatever. Okay, I'm not interested. And they show intention to leave by basically moving their mouse up to click back. All right. And once they cross the page off, that's it. They've gone. You've lost that user forever. Okay. Now what we've done is when intention is shown to use, we automatically send the user to the second page. This is the second page. Okay. So they've gone through to the web class page, which they can then watch. We just missed out on the opt-in, but they were leaving anyway, so we weren't going to get their opt-in. This way, we sent them across to the class. They can watch. They still may become a customer. Okay, so that's the magic here. So you can see on this page, we've got the web class that they can watch at their leisure, more scarcity, and we've got the button which goes through to our affiliate link. Okay, our affiliate link, right? Now, when they try to leave, again here, if they do, before finishing it or buying it, whatever it may be, they're hit with another exit pop, which basically says if you continue, we're going to get a number of freebies. Okay, and you know, we've just got this button, let me continue, and they can continue watching it. It's simple as that. Now those freebies will be delivered via your autoresponder, which we'll discuss in a few moments, right? So that's that. So that's simple. Here, as I said, this is the button, that's your affiliate link. They've got the ability to watch it and, you know, scarcity to help them make the decision. So going back to the system here, you can see we've got the download page, which you can look at. And here we've got some buttons to download, some freebies that we offered. But on this page, we've also put in a button here to send people back, to the training. And if they click here, they're back to the web class, because on the web class, there's the button to buy. And that's the really important thing. So it's all about, you know, driving people to this page constantly. That's really, really important. Okay. So let's move across and talk about, you know, setting up your campaigns. So you can see under the campaigns, you know, we've also got the bonus campaigns if you've got those ones as well. You can see these are the products that we can promote. So if we go to affiliate link here, you're going to see there is links for both campaign and bonus links. You'll click on one of them, and then you'll choose the one that you were going to promote. So just say it was one we were just on. You can click on this button. Now this is going to take you outside of our system, and it's going to take you to the JV page of the product. Here, you're going to be able to get your affiliate link. Okay, so it might be on ClickBank, it might be on Warrior Plus, it might be on Digistore 24. Whatever it is, you're going to be able to go to those sites. You're going to be able to sign up, and you're going to get your affiliate link. Okay, you're going to get your affiliate link, and you're going to copy that. and then you're going to come back. So once you've got that affiliate link, you're going to come back, you're going to click on your campaigns, and then you're going to go to the product you're promoting and click on edit. So once you're in here, you're going to click where it says affiliate link, and you're going to paste in your affiliate link here, okay? And then you're going to scroll down to the bottom and you can click save changes. So that was it. Your affiliate link is now saved. Now, one thing that is important is obviously to connect up your autoresponder, okay, which can be set up here. Now, what you will do is you will click on these three buttons here at the top. You'll go down to integrations, and this is where you're going to be able to make a connection to one of a number of different autoresponders. So there's loads of autoresponders here. We've got Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, etc., etc., Sendio, Constant Contact. And what we do here is we want to create a connection using the API of these third-party companies. So they're all different because they're different. These are all different companies, so they've got different setups, different systems. So when we click on connect, you can see that there's some steps. We need an authorization code for Aweber. For GetResponse, we want the API key. MailChimp, an API key. Active campaign wants an API key and an account, so on and so forth. Okay, so there's loads of different ways to connect it up, right? Now, once you've done that, you've made a connection. We can go back to our campaigns. Now, if you've got an autoresponder that isn't listed here, you can still use it, and we'll show you in a second. So go out to campaigns. We click on edit. And you'll connect up here to one of the ones that you have connected, and then you're going to be able to choose the list that you've created within your account. If you don't have one of those, you can click raw HTML, go into your autoresponder, and all autoresponders will be able to create a form with a HTML code. Okay. Now, moving forward from this, beneath this video, there will be a button to watch a full in-depth tutorial about autoresponders, how to set them up, how to set up the list, all the important things that you need. So if that's something you need to watch, make sure you click on the button below, okay? And obviously what you're gonna want to do is in your autoresponder, you're gonna set up your first email to deliver the bonus link, okay? So let's just go out to campaigns and just show you that link so you know exactly what we're talking about. So when we click on here, you can see that you've got the download page URL. We're going to be able to copy that, and then we're going to be able to draft an email to deliver that because we've got the opt-in, we've got the email address. We'll set it up so that once someone comes onto the list, we automatically send them an email and say, this is your download, check it out. And the beauty is, as we mentioned, is that on the download page, there's a link back to the presentation so they can watch it again. So it works dual purpose. Okay. So this was the setup page for HIJACK'D. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. Beneath this video, there will be some supplementary videos that talk about some of the other things that you will need to know and going over some of the things that we've mentioned in this video.
So I don't know if you understand that. I don't know where you are in your affiliate marketing program, but man, this is powerful. This is what takes years of basically trial and error to learn how to build these very, very cool affiliate funnels. This is a very cool funnel. This is being able to redirect back to get that sale is so important. Like, that's why I really like how they basically put this in. So let's go over to the actual dashboard. I mean, you guys saw it there, but we'll just show you it again so you can see. This is the dashboard. Just like I said, they've got the 4 entries. Now there's going to be some upgrades where you're going to be able to get tons of campaigns. They're going to give you bonus campaigns, all that kind of stuff. So they've got the 4 to start with, and then they're going to be the bonus campaigns. Oops, to sign back in here. Let's give it a second to load. And it's here's the bonus campaigns. So we're not going to spend too much time here. You guys saw the overview. So there you go. The ambassador program, guys, this is a huge ticket item. This is a great one. When you sell this commission hero, you got to get approved for that. These are all high-end, guys. These are high-end programs. Definitely want to be promoting them. These can give you $2,000-$3,000 paydays. It's really great. So let's jump over to the sales page here. So brand new $2.7 billion loophole pays me $997 every day. So this is really for high-end programs, guys. This is really for selling those high-ticket programs. And like I mean, you know, for example, today I had someone go through a funnel, and it was a not quite. I think it was $795 a day from one buyer going through one funnel, guys. So this can happen. So you guys, you pop a couple of these a day, and you are off to the races. So basically, go through the training, guys. Go through the page. Watch this video. It really gives you some insight of what it can really do. Let's see, the bonuses I've already talked about. We've already gone through all those bonuses. So let's go through the upgrades, and then we'll talk about the product. So the upgrades are, so the first one's going to be $17. There's probably going to be a downsell like he showed you. When you go to exit, you'll be able to get that. I think you'll probably get $2 off. So you might get it for 15, might be $3 off, not sure. We'll see when it launches, which is, as the time I'm doing this video, it will be launching tomorrow. They have the unlimited. I always recommend, guys, buy the unlimited, get the unlimited. It's so worth it. And if you're new, get the done for you, okay? Get the done for you. It looks like the done for you is going to be, one document said 197, this one's saying 97, so I don't know which one it's going to be. But if you can afford it, these are the ones you want. Front end, the unlimited, and the done for you. Now, the unlimited traffic is going to be hooking it up to your social media. The automation, of course, is going to be having it hooked up to your social media and actually being able to automate it, like schedule stuff, so it just goes. ATM, not too sure of. Ultimate is probably going to just give you more of more funnels to put in, and then the license rights, you'll be able to sell this and make 100% profit on it. So this is easy, guys. Work from home, free buyer traffic, daily commissions, cloud-based, beginner and newbie friendly. Really simple. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. So so what are my thoughts on it? As you can see, I love it. Like these are programs. I love these done for you affiliate suites. Like if I was to sit down and build these in ClickFunnels, is which I use, it would take me about a week to build out these, and they probably still. Then I'd have to start testing them and see what's working, split testing and see what's working. These guys are already done it. This is it's basically a done for you, right? So highly recommend grabbing this. The link below is going to take you through your bonuses. As an extra bonus, guys, if you get stuck anywhere or if you're having any issues in it, you can reach out to me and message me. You're going to get all those other bonuses. Oh, you're going to get the what's it called? The affiliate traffic lab as well. So you're going to be getting that and all my bonuses. So you're going to be getting a ton of stuff, guys. So click the link below. You'll be taken to the bonus page, and then any of the yellow buttons, click those, and you'll be able to get the bonuses. And then my contact information is on the page. Reach out to me. You'll probably get onto my email list, or make sure you subscribe to my channel. So this has been the Hijack'd review, bonuses, tutorial walkthrough, and sort of my 2 cents on it. I really like this program, guys. I think it's going to it's probably going to sell a ton of units. So there's going to be some bonuses at the very beginning. So as soon as you see this video, absolutely grab it. If there's a bonus that you didn't get, message me and I'll see if I can hook you up with it. I might be able to pull some strings and get you some bonuses that you might not have gotten because you got it at a later date. So just make sure you message me and I'll see what I can do. All right, guys, this has been Glen Murray, Affiliate Profit Pages. Again, this has been my Hijack'd review. Make sure you grab it from my link below, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.